So, dear student, we were discussing Smart PLS. Now we will be discussing about the next steps, what we can do with the outcomes of Smart PLS. So, first of all, I would suggest you to check your results. If they are good, then you can move towards the structure model. And if they are not good, you will have to try to make them good. For example, here, if we see in the construct reliability and validity, you can see paradoxical leadership is composite reliability CR is 0.7 and AB is much lesser than 0.5. So it's not a good data. So what we can go do, we can go onto our model again. Then we can see paradoxical loadings in the paradoxical leadership. So you see PL1 is 0.61, PL2 is 0.64, PL3 is 0.52, and PL4 is 0.4, and PL5 is also 0.4 something. So I told you that these values should be greater. These are outer loadings and these should be greater than 0.7. Otherwise, AVE will be disturbed. So we can try deleting PL4 and PL5. Then let's see what happens. PL4 and PL5. And let's see report, construct reliability and validity. And now everything is right. So we can remove those items and then make the validity and convergent validity good. So when everything is right now, the next step is to make the Excel file. Okay. So let's, for the time being, let's also check the results for structure model. For structure model, what you can do, you will go here, calculate, bootstrapping, start calculation. So we have got a report. In this report, we will have to see path coefficients. So in path coefficients, this original sample, it is beta value, and p-values, these are the significance values. So we can see that significance value for the moderation is not, the value for the moderation is not significant. The rest of the values are good. So we can now move towards reporting our results. Okay, so these are structural model results. First, we will be reporting our measurement model results. For measurement model results, I mean the convergent validity, reliability, and discriminant validity. So let's go to report them. First, go calculate PLSM algorithm, start calculation, and it is the report. And here you can see Excel. So you will download this Excel file, export. So this is the file we have received from the Smart PLS. So we are going to we are going to make our first table uh, for our dissertation. So we will be going towards outer loading first. Show. So these are the outer loadings. So we will copy them, shift down until it is finished. Control C, new sheet, Control V. It will be open like this. Now we will convert this into a proper form so that we can report it in a better way. Control X, Control V, again Control X, Control V, Control X, and Control V. We don't need this paradoxical leadership as a moderator. Okay, so the thing is, we are not going to report the screenshot of Smart PLS, or even when you report it into Excel, it should not be very shiny or very colory. I mean, in a very, what we can say. So I would suggest it should be in a simple form. So what we can do here, we can remove these colors. We select no color from here. We select black color from here, and that's the form. Okay, you can remove these things. You can write here item, item. Here it is loading. Second, we need Cronbach alpha, so we copy it. We will go back to navigation, and now construct reliability show, and here's the construct reliability. First thing is this. So we'll now again copy this table, Control C, and sheet 1 Control V, and now exhaust. So we will take these two, Control X and Control V. Okay, one delete. So this is for our exhaust. Similarly, for paradoxical leadership, we will copy all this, Control X. So here is, where is paradoxical leadership? Here it is, Control V. Perfectionism, Control X, Control V. And playful work design, Control X, playful work design. So here it is, Control V. Okay, so now your table is ready. We will just format a bit. So you will go up again. You will make it a simpler one, perhaps using these two tabs, this one and this one. And then you will simply write here Chromebase Alpha. You can leave it like this, and you convert it into the all borders. Okay. So yes, now you can report this table into your thesis or dissertation, whatever you are writing. So these are convergent validity and reliability tables, and now we will be copying the table for the discriminant validity. So we will come here, show, so you can report HTMP analysis. Again, Control C, Control C, sheet 1, Control V. You will again convert them into a simple form. And yes, so what you can do, okay, the table is ready. I would suggest to not report this last thing. You can remove paradoxical leadership and perfectionism. We don't need to report it. And the last table for measurement model is again our Fonner-Lecker criteria. So yes, again you can copy it, Control C, sheet 1, Control V, and you can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can write 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a table. Okay, so you will also report this table into your thesis. So we are done with your measurement model, and now the next thing is how to report structure model. So you will go here, calculate, bootstrapping, start calculation, Here, first you will report path coefficients. Now we first need to download Excel file, export, save. So this is the Excel file. You will going towards the path coefficient first. So you can report these, you can copy this first table, Control C, and then Control V. So you just, I would suggest to remove this one, mean, and that's all. That's your table for structure model. So this is your beta value. You can write beta here, beta relationships, and beta, and maybe simply SD, standard deviation, SD, and p-value. That's all. These are the results you are going to report. Along with this, you can go here, and you will have, for mediation, you will have to report specific indirect effects. So show, and where is our specific indirect effect? So it is here, this one. So again, you can copy this table, Control C and Control V. So deleting this one and mean this one, you will again get this result, Control X and Control V. So here is your mediation result, mediation. Okay. Now what you can do more for the time being, R square. Okay, so I think so these are the R square value. You can use these values to put them on the R square. Okay. So here you can see, and in the end, you will also have to report this structure model in picture form. So I would again suggest you to convert into the simple form from here. And then also here in measurement structure model, p-values, use path coefficients and p-value. That's how you are going to report this picture. Okay. So that's all about Smart PLS so far. Thank you very much.